What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to restore your Sony XM5 headphones to factory settings. Now before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. One thing you should know about resetting these headphones to factory settings is that you're going to lose all the settings you have saved on the Sony app, as well as any pairing information that this headphone was saving about your current device that you're pairing it with. So keep that in mind. Now that I told you all of this, you want to make sure that the headphone is completely powered off. And once it's completely powered off, it doesn't have to be connected to anything, nor does it have to be connected to the charger. It actually should not be connected to the charger. And what you're going to do is find the power button and the noise cancellation button, and you're going to press and hold both of them at the same time for 7 seconds. And you're going to press and hold them until you see this LED light right here is going to blink and flash blue 4 times. So continue to hold, and there you go. So this was my video on how to reset your Sony XM5 headphones to factory settings. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.